symmetry, and balance. These are the defining features of the Kilter Wall Light by London design lighting brand Tala. Picture a frosted tubular bulb delicately suspended parallel to the wall. It's anchored by a circular pivoting fixture that is enamel powder coated, with a rubber seal within that protects the bulb from moisture. But why all these features? The Kilter Wall Light is wet rated IP44, meaning that it can handle the occasional splash of water, making it perfect for bathrooms. Choose from two color temperatures, amber glow and soft white. The Kilter is also fully dimmable, allowing you to control the ambience of the environment. Notably, the Kilter has an impressive 15,000-hour lifespan, meaning that it will last you over 5 years if you turn it on for 8 hours a day.